friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making an amazing snacks and or starter recipe. It is very easy, very less cooking required. And so today we are making Cajun potato, but I gave it a little twist. We are making stuffed cheese Cajun potatoes. This is very easy and delicious recipe. If you want to know how to make this, please follow the video, and if you like the recipe, please like and share the video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the new recipe updates. Let's start. So to make Cajun potato, cheese stuffed Cajun potato, we need boiled potatoes. So you can take baby potatoes. I'm using a small size, little bit bigger size from the baby potato, and some grated cheese. So this is the first step, what we need to make the cheese stuffed Cajun potato. So let's do this. So to make the cheesy potato, we need to make a hole inside this like this. Now place some cheese, put it back, and now we need to press it, flatten this. So using your palm you can flatten this. So these are little bigger in size, so what you can do, you can, before placing the cheese inside it, you can cut it into half and then you can make it, or you can use the very small size like this, the baby potatoes. We'll do the same. Put the cheese, place it back and press it using palm. So the next step is we need to make them little crispy. So we will shallow fry this in little bit oil. So let's do that. Grease the tawa with some oil and then place everything on it, and we will cook this little bit till our potato become little crispier. Not much, I think 3 to 4 minutes. So use some all-purpose flour coating or breadcrumb coating to make it more crispier, but I'm not using that. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce, Cajun sauce. So I'll tell you what ingredients I'm using. So first I'm using 4 spoons of mayonnaise. Now in this I'm using little bit of chili flakes, not much. Italian seasoning. So this is mixed herb. Paprika. So if you don't have paprika, you can use red chili powder, but just make sure you use less red chili because paprika is little bit on a sweeter side. So it has some sugar in it, but red chili powder will be little bit spicy. Cumin seed powder, about 1 tablespoon or so tomato sauce, and in this you can use onion powder and garlic powder. So I'm using fresh garlic, finely chopped, and I'm not using salt because mayonnaise already has salt in it, but you can add salt as per your taste. Just check before adding. To get the desired color you need, you can add Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder as well because it gives nice color. I'm using about half 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder. Mix everything well, and to get the desired consistency, sauce consistency, you can add milk. It looks little bit thicker, so I'll add some milk to get the desired consistency. I'm using about 1/4 cup of milk. Mix everything well. I added little bit of tomato sauce as well. Mix nicely, there should be no lumps. The sauce is ready. Let's see if our potatoes are done or not. Let's flip them. They are done from one side for about 1 or 2 minutes and they are ready. Now take the sauce and pour it generously. This is the easiest starter, easiest snack, very less cooking required. Cover this with sauce. If you add more red chili powder, you will get nice red color, and you can add less milk if you want thick gravy. Now garnish this with some coriander leaves and chopped onions. Our Cajun potato stuffed cheese are ready. Hope you guys like the recipe, and if you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share the video and hit the bell icon to get the new recipe updates. Thank you.